Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Opulence Global. My name is Rico Kilao and I will be your presenter for this evening. Maraming salamat po for tuning in and for taking the time to see this opportunity overview. And we do hope by the end of this presentation, makapagbahagi po kami ng impormasyon, edukasyon at solusyon kung paano ho tayo magkakaroon ng mas maayos at mas masaganang pamumuhay. Ayan, yan ho yung ating tatalakayin ngayon because here in Opulence Global, our mission is to help people achieve health and financial wellness. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today because I know that this itong dadating na few days before the end of this year. Napaka-crucial ho niya, no? Para ho ma-determine natin kung ano ba yung magiging takbo ng ating pamumuhay sa dadating na 2025. Naku, malapit na ho yan, ha? So, ayan. So, simulan na po natin. And of course, as mentioned earlier, there are two things that we will be sharing with you today. First and foremost is the importance of good health. Yan ho yung ating tatalakayin. Pangalawa is the importance of how we can live our life better. Ayan ha, kung gusto nyo hong umunlad ang inyong pamumuhay, that's the second part of our presentation. So simulan na po natin of course by sharing with you some alarming statistics, no? Because nowadays, as I have said earlier, na napakahalaga ho ng issue ng kalusugan sa ating buhay. Imagine there are 18 million cases of cancer that were diagnosed in 2020. Abay, parami ho ng parami ang nagkakaroon ho ng problema at concern pagdating ho sa tinatawag nating the big C. No, napakarami ho niyan, 18 million cases noong 2020. And I'm sure this 2024 lalo pa ho nadadagdagan 'yan. And on top of that, no, yung diabetes, it continues to soar from 529 million. An astounding, no, napakataas, 529 million. At sabi ho ng mga experts, pag hindi daw ho natin pinangalagaan ang ating kalusugan, ay maaari pa daw hong tumaas yan ng 1.3 billion by 2050. Aba, napakarami naman talaga niyan, ano? And over 40% of the global population currently suffer from some kind of neurological condition, especially among sa mga teens natin, ano, sa mga kabataan ho natin ngayon, naririnig ho natin parami ho ng parami ang mga nagkakaroon ng problema sa kanilang mental health. And like anxiety and depression. And again, no, talagang isa ho yan sa nakakaalarmang statistic. And on top of that, more than 500 million people around the world continue to be affected by cardiovascular diseases. As a matter of fact, nakikita ho natin dito sa ating top 10 causes of death in the Philippines, nangunguna ho yan, no, pagdating ho sa mga problemang puso. Ayan. Hindi yung mga heartbroken, ha. Ito talaga ho yung mga physical heart ho natin. Imagine 20.5 million deaths noong 2021. Now, these are something that is very alarming and as I've mentioned, no, kung hindi ho natin pangangalagaan ang ating kalusugan, maaring mapabilang ho tayo sa mga statistic na yan. And the purpose for this call is for us, no, to share with you some information on how we can prevent yung pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang klasing mga sakit para mapangalagaan ho natin yung ating kalusugan. And on top of that, today's reality, how many of you or people that you know ang naapektuhan ho ng kawalan ng trabaho, especially right now with the onset of AI, parami ho ng parami, no? Ang nate-threaten, nawawala ng trabaho because nga automation na ho ngayon eh, 'di ba? So natural disasters, katulad na lang ho na nangyari nung bagyo marami hong kabuhayan ang naapektuhan ho diyan. Katulad nung nangyari ho ng pandemic, di ba? Health outbreaks, pinatigil niya ho yung takbo ng mundo, yung lockdowns. And on top of that, yung inflation. Inflation seems to be the culprit kung bakit ho maraming mga taong naghihirap ngayon. Ibig sabihin ho niyan, pababa ng pababa yung halaga ng pera, pero yung presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin patuloy hong tumataas. Yun hong 1,000 mo dati na ang dami-dami mong nabibili ngayon sa panahon ho ngayon. Isang kainan mo lang yan, ubos na, di ba? So that's the reason why a lot of people nowadays is hindi na po nakakaipon, much worse, nalulubog pa ho sa utang. So these are some of the problems, challenges that we are facing today. But the good news is, ito yung pag-uusapan natin, yung solusyon na pinoprovide ho ni Opulence Global. And si Opulence Global is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So basically, we are already more than 19 years in the international market. Very solid, financially stable, debt-free company with business in more than 200 countries and territories. And later on, no, isi-share ho namin sa inyo itong ating livelihood opportunity. But one of the most important things is yung credibility ho ng company. Maganda ho dyan is meron ho siyang accreditation sa Better Business Bureau. Now, yung BBB na yan ho yung nag-i-evaluate ng mga business ethics, business practices. So, pag napabilang ka dyan, ibig sabihin, katiwa-tiwala, no? Hindi ka lolokohin ng company na yan. Meron ho silang maayos na pamamalakad sa kanilang negosyo. And the reason for that is because we are being led by our founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. At ito hong ating founder and CEO ay meron na ho siyang malawak na karanasan sa pagpapalago ng negosyo. As a matter of fact, he was able to establish and build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses. So imagine that, no? So kumbaga, we're in good hands, no? With the leadership, with the strength ng ating founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlo. So first topic that we're going to share with you is our advocacy. We call this the Safe Home Revolution. And what this means is we want to protect you and your loved ones by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So sisimulan ho natin sa usapang kalusugan because of course, no, kung wala ho yung magandang kalusugan, hindi rin ho natin may enjoy yung mga magagandang bagay sa ating buhay, di ba? So that is why we should give utmost priority, utmost importance when it comes to our health. Because eto ho, no, bakit ba tayo nagkakasakit? Okay? Yan ang tanong 'di ba? Bakit ba tayo nagkakasakit? You know, one of the main reasons why we get sick is because of the destructive effects ng free radicals that cause oxidative stress. So yung free radicals, all of us have that. And these are the unpaired and stable electrons inside our bodies na ginagambala niya yung ating mga healthy cells. Much more, siguro ang tamang term dyan is inaatake niya yung ating mga healthy cells. And over a period of time, yung healthy cells ho natin, pag inatake ng free radicals, it causes oxidative stress at yung ating healthy cells nagiging sick cell at pag dumami ho yan, dyan ho nagsisimula yung pagkasira, pagka-damage ng ating mga organs. So pag nagkaroon ho ng problema sa sistema ng ating katawan, talagang nahihirapan ho siya na mag-function ng maayos and therefore, no, ang nangyayari ho is dyan po tayo nagsisimulang magkasakit, no? And the sad reality is these free radicals are everywhere. Every time we wake up in the morning, pagkagising mo sa umaga, na-expose na ho tayo dyan on a daily basis. Patuloy yung dumadami. Yung pag-atake ng free radicals sa ating katawan, especially if you're taking mga medications, na-expose ho tayo sa cigarette smoke, nako, eto, stress, nako, parang parte na ho yata ng buhay natin yan, no? Exposure sa viruses and bacteria, electromagnetic forces, yung wifi na hindi natin nakikita, nakaka-apekto pala yan, no? Sa pagkasira ng ating kalusugan. Yung paggamit ho natin ng mga household chemicals, katulad ho ng mga detergent, soap, shampoo, lotion. Nako, all of these things contains harsh ingredients, mga chemicals that can cause damage to our bodies. Alcohol, excessive exercise, mold, radiation na nanggagaling ho sa ating mga gadgets. And we are now living in an era where nowadays, hindi na ho tayo nawawalay sa ating mga gadgets, di ba? Lagi ho nating dala-dala yan. So, yan ho yung problema every day of our lives. Ibig sabihin, parami ng parami yung free radicals. Lalo't lalo na, dala-dala mo yung cellphone mo palagi, di ba? And then yung exposure ho natin sa pollution na nanggagaling sa air, water, and food. And these are the three things that we cannot live without. Especially yung air, hindi naman pwedeng hindi kahihinga. Ang problema, polluted na. Yung water, nako, contaminated na. Yung pagkain ho natin. Lalong-lalo na yung tinatawag nating mga processed foods. So ito ho yung mga pagkain na nalagyan na ng sangkaterbang mga chemicals, preservatives, additives, flavoring, seasonings. Ay nako. The food that we eat these days doesn't contain any significant amount of nutrients. Much more, yun pa, nakakasira pa sa ating kalusugan. Kino-compound pa ho yan ng kakulangan sa pahinga, kakulangan sa tulog. Napakahalaga ho ng adequate sleep, no? Especially itong travel ko, nako, laging puyat, ano? And again, ako, tuwan-tuwa ho yung mga free radicals pagka ho, hindi ho tayo nakakakuha ng tamang tulog at tamang pahinga. Okay? So, toxins, UV rays. So, these are some of the things. No? Ang tawag ko nga ho dyan, yung mga bala na patuloy na umaatake sa atin araw-araw. Patuloy na sumisira sa ating mga healthy cells and over time, this oxidative damage, as it accumulates in our bodies, this contributes to aging. Yung pagtanda ng wala sa oras and a variety of degenerative diseases. Now, we want you to be aware of these things because these are happening every day. Okay? So, minsan, kailangan nating mas maging aware, no? Mas maging alert pagdating ho sa mga bagay na yan para mapangalagaan ho natin ang kalusugan. Now, paano ho ba natin yan malalabanan? So, we have a simple solution to this. We call this proper nutrition. No? Proper nutrition plays an important role when it comes to the preservation and protection of our health. And today, no, ano ho ba yung panlaban dyan sa mga free radicals na yan? Ito ho yung mga tinatawag nating antioxidants. So antioxidants, ito ho yung may kakayanan na labanan at kumbaga i-destroy yung effect ng ginagawa ng free radical sa ating katawan. Kaya nga ho tama lang na sinasabi ho sa atin na we have to eat more of the plant foods rather than animal products because itong ating mga antioxidants ay nanggagaling ho yan sa mga pagkain na mga tulad ng prutas, nuts, mga vegetables, plant foods. So this contains level of antioxidants na maganda ho na lumalaban sa mga free radicals and oxidative stress. And today we're going to share with you a powerful type of plant antioxidant known as lignans. Okay? So ako, first time ko lang ho narinig yan, lignans na yan. Napakahalaga pala niyan pagdating sa ating kalusugan because this lignans is a type of plant antioxidants that protects the body from free radicals and it helps fight against oxidative stress that leads into sickness. And much more. Dito ako na, dito talaga ako naging curious eh. Meron pala mga lignans na nanggagaling ho sa punong kahoy. And yet, no, itong mga lignans na nanggagaling ho sa punong kahoy, mas mayaman pala to sa level of antioxidants. Not only that, meron din ho siyang antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activity. Now, 30 years of studies have shown na yung mga tao daw ho na kumakain ng mga pagkain na mayaman at masustansya sa lignans, they experience, no, ito, 30% less cancer. So, simpleng solusyon lang ho pala, kumain daw ho tayo ng lignans araw-araw, malaking epekto daw ho pala yan para mapababa yung chances and risk of having cancer. Ano pa? 30% less risk of cardiovascular diseases. Aba, yun pala, meron pala tayong protection na maaasahan dyan laban sa mga sakit sa puso. Nakakapagpababa daw din ho ng cholesterol level. Also, it lowers PSA, which is a prostate cancer indicator. So, in general, napakarami pa rin yung health benefits. Mamaya, malalaman nyo pa ho yung iba't ibang mga health benefits if you are regularly consuming lignans every day. Now, saan ho ba natin makukuha yung mga lignans na yan? Aba, marami ho. Maraming mga sources yan. On top of the list, yung flaxseed. Isa ho yan sa mga pinakamataas. Na andyan din ho yung sesame seed, multigrain bread, curly kale, broccoli, apricots, strawberry, olive oil, and green tea. Among the many other things, ito ho yung ilan sa mga pinakamataas na sources of lignans. But the question is, are we eating these foods every day? How much lignans do you eat? Yun ang tanong. Alam natin ngayon, but the sad reality of it is hindi ho natin nakakain yan araw-araw. Sabi ho ng mga experts, kailangan daw ho 50 to 100 milligrams daily ang nakokonsume ho nating lignans. And yet, based on a study in the US, we are only consuming 1 milligram. Imagine niyo ha, 1 milligram every day. Ang laki-laki ng kakulangan. And of course, no, kasi yung mga pagkain daw ho natin ngayon, yun nga, wala nang masyadong nutrients, no? Talagang ang iniisip na lang natin ngayon, magkalaman ng tiyan, tapos, 'di ba? Pero ito ho, ang solution ho natin, we call this the fountain of life. So it's a simple solution that you can do each and every single day. Just add 10 drops, no? 10 patak araw-araw, walang 2 segundo yung pagte-take mo niyan. And yet, with the 10 drops of this fountain of life, imagine, you can have more than 5,166 milligrams of this powerful antioxidant or lignans. So 17 times more powerful ho siya kaysa dyan sa flaxseed. So yung 10 patak ho na yan, ang ginagawa ho namin is we put it underneath our tongue. Now, what's amazing about this is that napakasimpleng gamitin and yet the amount of lignans that you can get from this 10 drops pag mineasure ho natin yung antioxidants sa 10 patak, is equivalent ho yan sa antioxidants na makukuha nyo from drinking 50 cups of green tea. Aba, sino ho ba sa inyo may kayang uminom ng 50 cups of green tea? Ang hirap ho niyan, ano? Or sa tomatoes naman, 100 cups. Sa lettuce, 510 cups. Dito talaga ako nawindang. Imagine, 10 drops is equivalent to 1,800 cups of apple. Ay, nako. Grabe, no? Subukan mo kayang kainin yung 1,800 cups of apple. Sa isang cup ka sa isang araw, aabutin ka ng kulang-kulang na 4 na taon bago mo maubos yan. Imagine that, no? Bakit mo pahihirapan pa yung sarili mo when you can just take 10 drops of this fountain of life? Wala pang 2 segundo and yet the amount of lignans that you can get from those 10 drops is equivalent to around 1,800 cups of apple. Ganun ho ka-powerful Now, ito hong ating lignans and ang pinanggagalingan ho niyan is galing sa isang puno. We call it the Norwegian spruce tree. And this is actually considered to be the superstar of all trees. And studies have shown that this is the most potent and strongest lignans in the world. Imagine ha, pinakamabisa at pinakamalakas na uri ng lignans daw sa buong mundo nanggagaling daw ho sa Norwegian spruce tree. A closer look at this tree, no? Nakikita niyo sa picture para siyang Christmas tree, para siyang pine tree. Ito hong puno na to can live hundreds or even thousands of years. Actually, yung oldest documented na Norwegian spruce tree is 9,550 years old. Imagine, meron palang punong ganong katagal ang buhay, no? Almost 10,000 years. Ganyan ho katibay yan, no? Because unang-una, ito ho yung puno na hindi nagkakasakit. It can withstand oxidative stress. It can deal with invasive threats from microbes and insects. And evolution over time has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms na saan daw nanggagaling? Aba, yun pala yung kahalagahan ng lignans na yan. Meron siyang preservation mechanism. Okay? So that's why it's very, very important no, na lagi ho tayong nagno-nourish ng lignan sa ating katawan. Because tatlong bagay ho yung ginagawa niyan. Unang-una, antioxidant. Pinapalakas niya, pinoproteksyonan niya yung ating mga cells. Antimicrobial, nilalabanan niya yung mga microbes, germs, viruses na sumisira sa ating katawan. And on top of that, yung anti-inflammatory. Na napakahalaga ho niyan, especially sa panahon ho ngayon, karamihan ho ng mga sakit, nakamamatay na sakit, ang pinagmumulan ho niyan is chronic inflammation. So what we need is yung kumokontra dyan, yung tinatawag nating anti-inflammatory. Okay, so that's how powerful ha, yung pag-consume ho natin ng lignans araw-araw. And by the way, this is approved by Health Canada. And as you know, ang Health Canada ho kasi, yan ho yung pinakamahigpit when it comes to sanitation, safety, pagdating ho sa mga food and food supplements. So nakakaasa ka na totally safe and sanitized yung ating produkto. Wala hong ingredient na maaring magdulot ng masama sa ating kalusugan. Okay, that's how stringent yung Health Canada na yan. So, how do we use it? No, ito ho, at least no, you can start with 10 drops. Pero kung meron ka hong nararamdaman or there's something that needs to be addressed in your body, of course, mas mataas yung requirement mo for supplementation. So wala hong overdose yung ating product, but one uniqueness na nakita ko dito sa product is napakabilis ho ng bisa niya, fast acting. And the reason for that is unang-una, underneath the tongue, nakakonekta ho yung ating lymphatic system na yan sa ating bloodstream. So in less than an hour, mabilis ho siyang na-absorb, mabilis ho kumakalat sa ating buong katawan. And the reason for that as well is because napakataas nga ho ng source of antioxidants, yung content niya. So kaya ho dito meron ho tayong mga testimonials na in just a matter of minutes, walang exaggeration ho yun ha, time and again, meron ho silang nararamdaman. So you get all of the benefits of a lignan-rich diet in one simple regimen. You can take it any time of the day. Whether with meal or without meal, pwedeng-pwede ho yan. So listen to your body kung saan ho kayo mas magbe-benefit. Kung whether in the morning, whether in the afternoon, whether in the evening. And by the way, you can use it topically too. Yun ho yung maganda dyan. Pwede nyo hong ipahid, especially kung meron kayong mga inflammation, mga muscle pains, joint pains, yan, mga rashes. Ay nako, napakarami ho niyang mga benefits if you're continuously using it. Now, what are some of the benefits pagka nagte-take ho tayo ng mga high performance antioxidants as the fountain of life? So internally, unang-una niyo hong ginagawa, it supports our immune system. So yun ho yung pinakamahalaga na nagiging function niya, pinapangalagaan niya yung ating resistensya, the little doctors inside our body. At ang ating hong katawan kasi when it is strong, kapag ka humaayos, gumagana ng maayos yan, ang katawan ho kasi natin, perpektong ginawa ng Panginoon. It has the capacity to fight any diseases. It also has the capacity to heal itself. So ang kailangan lang ho natin is palakasin, pakainin ng tama itong ating katawan. It also acts as anti-inflammatory, it protects heart health, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improves metabolism, promote weight loss, defend against dementia, improve sugar metabolism, control diabetes complications. Marami na ho tayong testimonials niyan. Reduce hot flushes, antimicrobial, and it also helps in DNA protection. And as I've mentioned earlier, when you use it topically, it can improve hair health. Kung gusto niyo na mas magandang tubo ng buhok, ayan, pwede niyo hong ipahid yan sa inyong scalp. Nakakatulong din ho siyang mawala yung mga sunburns and blemishes, gum inflammation, nawala ho yung bleeding gums ko dyan. Other use it as a deodorant because of the antimicrobial properties. Hemorrhoids, mga almoranas, nako, pwede nyo rin hong i-apply yan dyan. Rashes and irritations, wounds and cuts, nail fungus and cuticles, muscle and joint pains. So a simple lifestyle change, just a simple 10 drops of this fountain of life every day, na wala pang 2 segundo, it can significantly increase the nourishment and protection na kailangan ho ng ating kalusugan. And I tell you, we have seen it unang-una sa sarili ko ho, sa pamilya ko, at sa iba pang mga tao na nasharean ho namin. Talagang sila na ho mismo nagsasabi, iba talaga yung product na yan. Iba talaga yung naramdaman ko since I started taking that product. Okay? So if I were you, lalong-lalo na kung bago pa ho kayo dito, kontakin nyo ho yung mga nag-invite sa inyo. Sabihin nyo, "Uy, bigyan mo nga ako ng unang 10 patako." Para maranasan ko rin yung sinasabi ng presenter na yan. Okay? So, and seriously speaking, no, let's not wait for illness to touch upon us. Wag ho nating antayin na magkasakit muna tayo bago tayo magdesisyon na pangalagaan ho yung ating kalusugan. Ang pinaka-wise na gagawin ho natin, yung wala ka pang nararamdaman, pinoproteksyonan mo na. Pinapalakas mo na yung resistensya mo para maiwasan mo yung mga sakit-sakit na yan. Dahil unang-una, napakahirap pong magkasakit. Pangalawa, napakamahal magkasakit. Lalong-lalo na ho yung healthcare natin ngayon na ikaw lahat ang maggagastos dyan, di ba? So make that decision, no? Invest in your health. That's the best decision and investment that you can start right now, no? Especially etong dadating na holiday season. Ano ho ba yung mga pinangreregalo natin? Mga material na bagay na kumukupas, no? Pero ito hong ating bakit hindi natin bigyan ng magandang impormasyon, magandang solusyon at magandang kalusugan yung ating mga mahal sa buhay, no? So, this is just a little bit of overview of why we are very passionate about this, is because we have seen it time and again na itong paggamit ho ng mga lignans araw-araw, naku, napakalaki hong benepisyo niyan sa ating kalusugan. Okay? Alright, so marami pa ho tayo actually products, no, hindi lang tayo about health, meron din ho tayong pampaganda, pampabeauty, anti-aging skincare system, meron din ho tayong toothpaste na totally safe sa mga bata. We also have our Posh Captive, Posh Sensual Body Wash, Shampoo and Conditioner, 3-in-1 ho yan. So hindi lang siya naglilinis ng ating buong katawan, but again, may level of protection and nourishment na nanggagaling ho sa mga powerful active ingredients. And then Fairy Sterling Hand and Body Moisturizer, another layer of protection as you go out. Meron ho siyang microsilver na lumalaban ho sa mga bacteria, microbes, germs, and even viruses. Nagha-hydrate din ho ng ating skin. And on top of that, sa mga mahilig ho mag-shopping dyan, doon ho sa ating online shop, makikita nyo ho dyan yung iba't ibang items such as bag, shoes, belt, eyewear, marami ho yan. Thousands of products na hindi ho basta-basta yan, ha? Tinatangkilik ho ng more than 300 celebrity clients worldwide. So, ibig sabihin talagang dekalidad at luxurious itong ating mga items in our online shop. Pati mga jewelries, nako, meron din ho dyan. Okay? So, for those of you who are interested, no, to try our products, it's available through our online shop. And just recently, nilaunch din ho natin itong pinaka biggest addition sa ating product line, itong Divine. Itong Divine is a supplement that supports your immune system. It fight against damage caused by free radicals. And it promotes healthy skin. Paano ba namang hindi talaga gaganda yung sistema ng katawan nyo? Meron ho siyang 6 na active ingredients na nagbibigay na naman ng additional layer of protection, additional layer of nourishment. Ito hong maritime pine bark extract, glutathione, which is the master antioxidant, grape seed extract. Nako, siguro naririnig nyo na ho yan. Ang dami hong mga health benefits niyan. Kasama na ho dyan ng zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Pag pumunta ho kayo sa mga health shops, lagi nyo hong makikita yung mga items na yan dahil nga ho sa benefits na idudulot niyan sa ating kalusugan. And why not take it in just one capsule? Yun ho yung maganda. At yung mga benefits ho niya, again, natutulungan din hong ma-regulate yung ating immune system. It supports liver and cell detoxification, which is very important, especially these days. It promotes gut health, supports respiratory function, aids in vision maintenance. It promotes diabetic health, improves absorption of other antioxidants, supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction, boosts brain function and memory. It improves the skin and benefits the heart health. And again, no going back, a simple solution, just taking these powerful active ingredients that are found in our divine, in our fountain of life, and protection coming from our Safe Home Revolution products, ay naku, napakalaking benepisyo niyan pagdating sa ating kalusugan. Okay? So for those of you who are interested to purchase these products, again, available ho siya sa ating online shop. Pwede ho kayong sumangguni or mag-consult sa ating mga partners na nag-invite ho sa inyo, and they will be more than willing to assist you and help you try and use these products, no, para makita nyo ho mismo sa sarili ninyo yung effect nung sinasabi ho natin. Okay? Ang nakakatuwa ho dito is yung mga real results, real testimonials of people who have used our products. Naku, napakarami na ho. Kasi nga ho, unang-una, kaya kami passionate dito, naranasan na ho namin yan sa sarili namin eh. Ako personally, hindi naman ho ko sakitin na tao. Praise God for that. But alam nyo ho, yung may mga minor kayong nararamdaman, like instance, may frozen shoulder, aba, nawala ho dyan yung aking frozen shoulder. Naging maganda ho yung aking bowel movement. Dati ho akong constipated. Now, ang nangyayari ho is 2 to 3 times a day na ho ako naglalabas ng sama ng loob. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin talagang gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Hindi mabigat. Tapos, tumataas yung stamina mo, yung energy level mo. Okay? Hindi ka madaling magkasakit. So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. And since we started sharing it with other people, nako, ang sarap hong makita na yung mga nasisharean ho natin is nagpapasalamat sa iyo, nakikita mo yung kaibahan. Sa itsura na lang makikita mo 'di ba? Yung dating mukhang stress, dating mukhang pagod, laging sakitin, ngayon kita mo talaga nag-glow. Aba, talagang nakakatuwa ho kapag nakikita ho natin 'yan. Katulad ho nitong lady from Australia, imagine 90 days fine lines and wrinkles almost gone. Gusto niyo ba ng ganon? Instant banat, instant bata, 11 months weight loss, applying it topically, no? 7 days eczema. Ang laki ho ng improvement niyan. Improvement sa hair health within 90 days. Ayan. And then even skin tone. Ayan. So suggestion ko ho sa inyo, bago ho kayo mag-try ng product, magpa-picture muna kayo. And then after a period of time, whether 1 week, 2 weeks, or even a month, makikita nyo ho yung difference niyan. Talagang magmumukha ho kayong bata. Ayan. Dahil ganyan ho yun kapag maganda ho yung loob ng ating katawan, lumalabas ho yan. And then eto, alopecia, which is an incurable disease. Nakakatuwa ho yung story nito kasi marami na ho siyang nasubukan, pagkamamahal pa, wala namang nangyari. So, nung na-share ho sa kanya yung Fountain of Life, aba, itinanggihan na niya. Sabi niya, naku, ang dami ko nang nasubukan, wala namang kwenta. Buti na lang, itong ating Fountain of Life, nagko-cover ho siya ng 90-day money-back guarantee. So, nung narinig niya yun, aba, sabi niya, aba, nating tulos pala yan. Di pag hindi ako nag-benefit dyan, pwede ko ibalik. Win-win, di ba? Wala kang talo doon. So true enough, sinimulan niyang gamitin yung product within 60 days. Imagine, nakita niyo sa picture ngayon yung improvement. Okay? So, ang key ho dyan is kayo mismo, subukan ho ninyo para makita nyo mismo yung epekto niyan kung gaano ho yan kaganda sa inyong kalusugan. Okay? So, yan ho muna, no? And of course, marami pa ho tayong mga testimonials dito. Ay, nako. Kung gusto nyo ho ng copy nitong mga testimonials ho natin, I can share this with you. Ayan, ha? So, sabihin nyo lang ho dun sa mga nag-invite ho sa inyo dito na gusto ko ng kopya niyan. Ayan. Okay, so by the way, you can even go to our Facebook page, no? Meron ho kaming Facebook page, Fountain of Life and Divine Official, na andyan ho lahat ng ating mga testimonials and stories of people who have been helped with the product in different parts of the world. Nako, napakarami hong mga testimonials dyan. Pwede nyo hong tingnan kung ano ho yung hinahanap nyo dyan. Okay? So again, tuloy na ho natin since this is recorded. So meron din ho tayong pamamaraan that you can have these products delivered right through your doorstep. So if you're living in other parts of the world, hindi ho dito sa Pilipinas, don't worry, wala hong problema dyan. Because meron ho kaming sistema dito na kahit sa ang parte ho kayo ng mundo, you can order these products and we can have it delivered right through your doorstep. Yan ho yung kagandahan nitong ating system, infrastructure that we have here in Opulence Global. And kasi ho itong mga items na to, makukuha nyo ho yan sa ating e-mall. So hindi ho yan available sa mga retail outlets, hindi ho yan available sa mga pharmacies. This is only exclusive sa ating online shop. We call it an e-mall. Ito ho yung maganda dyan, no? So hindi lang ho kayo yung pwedeng gumamit ng product, pwede rin ho kayo mag-distribute. Yan ho yung aming kabuhayan. Right now, I'm doing this presentation at the comfort of our own home. And yet, ang distribution ho natin can be in more than 200 countries and territories. So imagine, a phenomenal product, very unique, very effective, Ikaw ang pwedeng kuhanan. Hindi kalaban yung mga malalaking establishmento, mga malalaking negosyante. Imagine that exclusivity that we have when it comes to our product. And this is the opportunity that we want to share with you. We are offering a ready-made business, a global turnkey dropship business with high-quality products and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income at a minimal startup cost. So for those of you na nag-iisip, hindi naman kasi ako negosyante, wala naman akong alam sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo. Ito ho yung pinaka the best para sa inyo. Kasi ito ho, meron ng infrastructure, meron ng product, meron ng distribution system, meron ng compensation sa maliit na halaga, hindi libo-libo, hindi daang libong halaga. Pwede ka na makapagsimula ng isang malaking negosyo na nakakapag-distribute ka hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Okay? So let me just share with you a little bit of that more. Dito ho, ganito ho nag-work itong aming negosyo. First and foremost, you need to set up your e-mall. So sa e-mall ho kasi, yan yung pinakatindahan nyo, outlet ninyo. Yun nga lang, wala na kayong physical store, wala na kayong rentang binabayaran, wala na kayong kumbaga yung setup na iintindihin, 'di ba? So, kumbaga sa e-mall, i-share mo lang yung mga produkto mo through social media, face to face. So, ang maganda ho diyan, kumpleto na ho 'yan. Lahat ng products nakaload na doon sa e-mall mo. All you have to do is to keep on sharing the benefits of your product and your business. So, kapag yung customer ho ninyo naging interesado sa pagbili ng produkto ninyo, regardless kung nasa ang parte ho sila ng mundo, ang maganda ho doon, katuwang nyo ho yung company para siya na yung magpe-prepare ng order, siya na yung magpapadala ng produkto doon sa customer mo kahit nasa US pa yan, Australia, Africa, Europe, Asia, it doesn't matter. Yun ho yung kagandahan ng meron tayong partnership sa isang kumpanya na may kakayahang mag-distribute ng products globally. And since ikaw yung nag-promote, nag-market ng product, ang maganda ho dyan si Opulence Global will pay you with profits, commissions, and bonuses. So, hindi mo na inintindi yung pagsiset up ng business mo. Right away, pwede ka nang mag-share kaagad ng product. May system to distribute the products worldwide and you can make profits immediately. Yun ho yung maganda dito sa tinatawag nating dropship business model. Okay? So, ang benefit ho niyan, again, wala ka ng sakit ng ulo sa pagsiset up ng negosyo mo kasi nakaset up na. Hindi mo na rin problema kung ano yung produkto mo. 'Di ba? Yung iba talagang kailangan para kumita ka ng malaki, kailangan mag-invest ka ng malaking kapital sa pag-angkat ng mga produkto mo. Dito, miski wala kang literally dadating yung panahon na yung customer mo bumili doon sa online shop mo, wala kang nilabas na pera. Hindi mo nahawakan yung product, hindi mo nakita, nakakarating doon sa customer mo. 'Di ba? And yet, you are earning these different types of bonuses and commissions with the company. So, hindi mo na rin problema yung pagpapadala ng produkto. So, that's the perks and privileges no ng pagpa-partner ho natin sa isang company na meron ng infrastructure to distribute the products globally. Now, ang maganda rin ho dito, when you start no sharing the products to other people, ang maganda ho sa ating business, we basically have more than 30 ways to earn in this business. 'Di ba? So sa traditional business, maaring dalawa lang 'yan. Kikita ka sa retail, kikita ka sa wholesale. That's it. Pero dito, imagine, hindi lang dalawa, kundi 13 to 14 ways of making money. And I'll just give you an overview when it comes to that, no? Ang maganda ho kasi, first and foremost, as a partner with Opulence Global, pwede ho kayong makakuha ng 20 to 37% discount. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo nang bilhin yung mga products ng mas mura. And when you sell it at retail price, yun ho yung tinatawag nating retail profit, yung difference na yon. So in case, katulad ho dito sa Fountain of Life, by the way maganda ho yung ating promo ngayon. Regular price ng ating Fountain of Life is 4,320. But right now, because of our 20th anniversary celebration, we are offering 20% off on all products in all countries. Take advantage of this. Hanggang November 30 lang ho yan. So, ibig sabihin, imbis na 4,320 yung ating Fountain of Life, magiging 3,456 na lang ho yan. Ang laking menos ho yan. And then, as a partner with Opulence Global, pwede pa kayo magkaroon ng 20 to 30% discount. So, imagine, 2,419 na lang ang isang bote ng Fountain of Life. So, pag minarket nyo ho yan, you sell it at retail price, pwede ho kayo kumita ng 1,037 pesos per bottle. Aba, malaki ho yun, ha? Sa isang bote pa lang, meron kang 1,037. Paano pagka nakadalawang bote ka sa isang araw? Nakaalala ko yung isang partner natin dito, may nakausap lang ho siya sa isang coffee shop, nakita niyo ho yung kagandahan ng product. Right away, apat kaagad yung binili. Grabe, no? So sabi ko nga, walang isang oras, kumita ho siya ng, imagine, 4,000 pesos. Wala pang isang oras. And time will come, no? Pagka ho talagang masigasig ho tayo nagsishare ng product. Imagine niyo ha, part-time, doing this business part-time, 10 bottles a month. 'Di ba? So additional 10,000 pesos. Malaking tulong na ho ba yung 10,000 additional income part-time? Aba, napakalaking bagay na ho na yan. And then on top of that, syempre walang limit as to how you can distribute the products globally. Pag nagte-30 bottles ka na, di may 30,000 ka. Pag 100 bottles ka, di 103,000. Sa Fountain of Life pa lang yon. Paano pa yung sa toothpaste? Paano pa yung sa shampoo? Paano pa yung sa Divine? Paano pa yung sa fashion? Di ba? So, pwedeng lalong isang customer mo, maraming products yung binibili niya. Now, the second way is yung tinatawag ho nating wholesale profit. So, meron din hong mga tao na gusto namang kumuha ng bultuhan, nakita nila yung kagandahan ng produkto, gusto nilang maka-discount, gusto nilang gawin yung negosyo. Sabi nila, Rico, kukuha na ako ng wholesale package. Pagka kumuha ng wholesale package yan, syempre may products na kasama yon. So may commission ho kayo doon. Ang tawag doon, wholesale commission, wholesale profit. As much as 350 Canadian dollars. Later on, i-share ho namin yung mga packages. And by the way, yung mga packages ho natin, pare-pareho yan in different parts of the world. Yung package dito sa Philippines, kapareho ho yan ng package sa US, kapareho ho yan ng package sa Australia, sa Africa, Asia, Europe, kahit saang parte ng mundo. And every time someone buys this wholesale package, ano nangyayari doon? You earn wholesale commissions. Kung meron ho kayong 10 partners, 10 packages na bumili sa inyo, imagine, that's $3,500 or equivalent sa 140,000 pesos. Additional stream of income na naman yan on top of your retail commissions. Now, number 3, ito ho yung pinakagusto ko dito. Kasi yung mga partners ho na yan na bumili ng mga packages, kung ano ho yung benefit ninyo, nabe-benefit din nila. Now, the beauty of this compensation plan is hindi ka lang kikita sa sarili mong organization, sa sarili mong e-mall, kikita ka rin dun sa mga sales ng mga e-malls ng partners mo. Para mo silang mga branches na hindi ikaw yung nangapital. Okay? So, yung mga partners mo na may e-mall, once they sell these products as well, tumatanggap ka ng tinatawag doon na commissionable volume. Every product that they sell, there is a commissionable volume na marireceive mo. Okay? At hindi lang sa mga personally sponsored partners mo, pati doon sa mga partners ng partners ng partners ng partners mo. Kahit nasa ang parte ng mundo. So imagine niyo all of the sales of your partners through infinity. When we say infinity, ibig sabihin walang katapusan. So all of those sales, products, packages, repeat orders, repeat purchases, every product that is being sold sa lahat ng emails ng partners mo through Infinity, meron kang CV. So pag naipon yung CV na yon, 5,400 CV, we call it a power cycle, meron kang $400. Wow! Team sales na yon ha, hindi mo na sales yon. And literally, ang maganda ho dito, miski natutulog ka dito sa Pilipinas, tapos may partner ka sa US, na siyempre gabi na dito, sa kanila umaga pa lang. Tapos nagdi-distribute ng products kahit habang natutulog ka, ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy tumatakbo yung negosyo mo. How would you like to have that kind of business? Meron hong power of leveraging. You can make money literally while you sleep. Alright? So, and by the way, no, since you get paid through Infinity, pag dumadami, lalong dumadami yung mga CV ninyo, 54,000 CV, 10 power cycles na ho yun, di nagte-10 times din ho yung team commissions nyo doon. $4,000, $160,000. Pag umabot ho ng 540,000 CV, that's 100 power cycles, that's equivalent to 40,000 Canadian dollars or 1.6 million. How is that possible? Yan ho yung kagandahan nitong negosyo. Hindi ho nakasalalay sa sarili nyong oras, sa sarili nyong trabaho. But you know what? Yung mga little things na ginagawa ho ng mga partners ninyo, pag samasamahin mo yon, malaki ho yun. Okay? So, pwede kang talaga magkaroon ng time and financial freedom. No, hindi ka nakatali sa negosyo mo. Pero ang pinakagusto ko ho dyan is yung generational wealth. 'Di ba? Kung ano man yung mapalaki mo, maipundar mo, maitaguyod mo sa negosyo mo, mawala ka man dito sa mundo, sana matagal pa 'yon. Pwede pa huyang ma-enjoy ng mga anak mo, mga apo mo, ng mga susunod na henerasyon. We call it generational wealth. Okay? So marami pa ho yan. These are the 3 essential things. No? Meron pa ho tayong personal team bonus, meron pa hong profit sharing, meron pa hong car club bonus. Ibig sabihin, the company can pay for your own car from 500 to 4,000 Canadian dollars per month. Meron pa hong mga travel incentives. Kung mahilig ho kayo magbakasyon, why not get it for free? Okay? Meron pa hong opulence points, fast start bonus, mentorship bonus. Ay, nako, marami pa ho yan. We basically cover this in our compensation plan. We actually have a video that talks about the details of this compensation plan. So, pwede nyo hong panoorin yan, no? Because we don't have much time in this presentation. So, the question is, are you ready to get started? Okay? So, paano ko masisimulan yan? How can I enjoy those different ways of making money, the power of leveraging? Imagine niyo ha, pwede kang kumita ng retail, pwede kang kumita ng wholesale, pwede kang kumita ng team commissions. So, it's up to you kung saan ka gusto mag-focus. But, ang pinakamaganda dyan, pwede mong ma-enjoy lahat yon. Pero paano ko magsisimula dyan? Okay, first thing that you need to do is to set up your own email. Set up nyo ho yung email ho ninyo. Kasi yun yung magiging outlet ninyo. Eto, high-tech to ha. Hindi ho to basta-basta website lang. This is a $3 million infrastructure software na hindi mo na kailangan pang pag-investan. The company already paid for it for you. And ang partnership with the company, nagkakaroon ho tayo ng access dyan. Nagkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website, sarili mong online shop. Lahat ng mga products naka-load na dyan sa online shop mo. Wala ka na rin problema sa product quality management system mo. Di ba? May mga research team na ho yan, mga scientists na ho dyan that takes care of the products for you. Imagine niyo ganyan ho kalaki yung negosyo ninyo. Meron ka ng global sales distribution. Okay? Meron pa hong back office yan. So yung namomonitor mo, yung takbo ng negosyo mo, lahat ng bumibili dun sa email mo, nakikita mo sila lahat doon. Namomonitor mo. Okay? So by the way, did I mention that this is for free? Pag naging partner ka with Opulence Global. Okay? So, pagka ho ganyang klaseng negosyo kalaki, ganyang kalaking negosyo, yung negosyo ho ninyo, tingin nyo mga magkanong kapital ang kailangan nyo. You know, every time I ask that, hindi na ho bumababa ng 6 figures yung sinasabi ho ng mga tinatanong ko. Pero would you believe, for you to start this kind of global distribution business with different streams of income, you can get started for as low as 13,140. Napakamurang negosyo. Mas mura pa ho sa sari-sari store. At ang makukuha nyo ho dyan sa 13,000, of course, may email ka, meron ka ng products na pwedeng ma-redeem. Example ho nito is isang Fountain of Life, isang Divine, isang toothpaste. Yan, pwede ka na magsimula dyan. Pag re-order mo, 20% discount ka na dito sa ating brand partner package. May welcome kit na rin kasama. And of course, meron pa mga additional product freebies pag dinownload mo yung ating mobile app within 72 hours. At ang maganda ho doon, magkakaroon ka na ng iba't ibang business benefits, no? Up to 28% retail profits, up to $150 in wholesale profits, 2% commission boost, 50% team commissions. Yun nga lang, hindi mo pa na ma-maximize yung compensation plan dito. Now, Rico, paano ko ma-maximize yung compensation plan? Dito ka pumasok sa lifestyle advisor, okay? Kasi itong lifestyle advisor, meron ka na rin sarili mong email, meron ka na rin mga products na matatanggap dyan. Pag re-order mo, 30%, di ba? Ang maganda ho dito, mas marami yung products na pwede mong ma-redeem. And by the way, you can choose any product of your choice. But for purpose of computation, let's say puro Fountain of Life lang muna yung kinuha mo, pwede ka ho makakuha dito ng 17 bottles. At dahil ho dito sa promo na to, dati ho kasi ito ay 58,800. Pero ngayon ho, tinan nyo, naka-discount na kayo dyan. Naging 50,330 na lang po. Mas marami pa yung products na pwede nyong ma-redeem. Dito ko masasabi na dito wala kang talo sa negosyo. Bakit? Kasi yung halaga ng products na makukuha mo sa 17 bottles, that's 58,000 plus. And yet, yung investment mo is just 50,000. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-move mo, na-distribute mo yung products mo, yung 17 bottles mo, balik yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa. Tapos may email ka pa. Pag re-order mo, 30% ka na. May welcome kit pa. Meron ka pang additional $100 in opulence currency. Yung $100 na yan, you can utilize it sa email mo. Okay? And then, of course, may activation spin wheel din siya. Dito, nakaka-enjoy ka na ng 13 ways of making money. Okay? Now, eto ho yung isa pa sa pinakamagandang package ho natin. Of course, mas marami ho itong benefits, yung Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Ito ho pala yung dati natin eh. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na itong Lifestyle Advisor Plus, dati ho kasi 75,500, you get 20 bottles. Pag reorder mo, 37% discount ka. 'Di ba? You get all of the benefits katulad ng ibang mga packages pero mas marami ho itong benefits. Pero dahil naka-promo ho ngayon, ay tingnan niyo na ho ngayon. Mas bumaba na yung halaga, naging 73,430 na lang. Pero ang makukuha mo na is 28 bottles na, hindi lang 20 bottles. Nako, take advantage of this amazing promotion. Okay? So 37% maximum discount makukuha mo na. Okay? And you can enjoy 14 ways to make money in this business. Okay? Lastly, nako, meron pa ho tayong dinagdag. Recently lang, just last week, meron ho tayong tinatawag na Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience. For those of you who are seriously looking at this opportunity, na gusto mo yung pinaka-maximum benefits, meron ho tayo ditong 168,000. 168,000. Pero tingnan nyo yung makukuha nyo dito, ha? Panoorin nyo. Ha? So, meron kayong more or less 293,000 worth of health products. Okay? So sa Fountain of Life pa lang, 5 family packs na ho yan. Kung gusto nyo hong haluan ng Divine, pwede ho yan. Babawasan lang natin yung Fountain of Life nyo. Pero more or less, imagine ha, sa 168 mo, panalong-panalo ka na dito. 'Di ba? 168 yung ininvest mo, sa Fountain of Life pa lang may 293,000 ka worth of products. So pag binenta mo yan, anong mangyayari? Bayit yung puhunan mo, more than 100% yung ROI mo, 'di ba? And then on top of that, meron ka pang pwedeng i-redeem ng mga Safe Home Revolution products, no? Amounting to 74,000 pesos. So meron diyan toothpaste, meron diyan, bahala ka kung anong gusto mo, yung pampa-beauty, yung lotion, and so on and so forth. Plus, on top of that, hindi pa po tapos doon. Makakatanggap ka pa ng free gift, free luxury gift. Etong Fairy Designer Luxury Watch na hindi ho bababa ng 55,500 pesos. Okay? Libre na ho yan. Kasama na ho dun sa package nyo. So imagine, dun sa 168,000 ho ninyo, ang total value na pwede nyo makuha, 420,000. Okay? So this is just an overview. Kayo ho bahala ngayon. Kung gusto nyo magsimula muna, sabi mo 13 lang yung kaya ko, by all means, welcome to the family. Okay? Pero sabi mo, gusto ko kaagad ma-maximize yung benefits ko. Pwede ho kayo whether you want Lifestyle Advisor Plus, or Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience. Ano man ho ang pilihin nyo dyan sa mga packages na yan, ang mahalaga lang ho, makapagsimula ho kayo agad-agad. Okay? So ito ho, the power of 6. Ang maganda lang ho dito is, let's say, simulan nyo ho sa mga 6 na mga kakilala nyo, na mga gusto nyong makapartner dito sa negosyo ninyo. Okay, meron ho ba kayong kakilala, 6, na gustong umunlad ang kanilang buhay, na gustong gumanda ang kanilang kalusugan, gustong kumita sa magandang negosyo? 6 lang sa dami-dami ng kakilala ninyo. Tuturuan natin yan, tutulungan natin yan para mapalaki niyo yung negosyo, at yung 6 na yan, magkakaroon din ng tiga-6. Duplication ang tawag natin dyan. So pagka dumami ng dumami yan, power of 6, 6 naging 36, 216, 1296, 776. So let's stop there at the 5th level, although we get paid through infinity. So by this time, meron na kayo 9,330 people and only 20% lang naging active. Ayan ang assumption natin dyan. 1,866 people, bumibili lang ng 2 bote kada buwan. Smart buy. 2 bote lang kada buwan. Okay? Hindi nyo pa kakilala lahat yan. Hindi pa lahat active ha, 20% lang. Hindi pa nagbi-business yan. Hindi pa bumibili ng package yan. Bumibili lang ng 2 bote kada buwan. Alam nyo ho ba yung pwede nyo kitain? 423,200 pesos. Monthly, potential monthly income. Okay na ho ba sa inyo? 423,000 a month? Pwede na ho kayo magbakasyon? Pwede na hong magpatayo ng sarili nyong bahay? Pwede nang bumili ng sarili nyong sasakyan? So these are the opportunities and possibilities. We only stop at the 5th level. What if you can go to the 6th level, 7th level? Ay nako. The opportunity is huge. Especially right now. No, patapos na ho ang taon. If you want your 2025 to be something different, something new, I would encourage you. Start something new. Start something na magbibigay ho sa inyo ng additional streams of income. Yan ho dapat yung titingnan ho natin. Ano ba ho yung negosyo na pwede kong idagdag sa ginagawa ko ngayon? And by the way, you can start this by part-time, no? Miski part-time lang ho kayo. Hindi nyo iiwanan yung trabaho nyo, hindi nyo iiwanan yung negosyo nyo, idadagdag nyo lang ho sa gagawin ho ninyo. And who knows, no? 3 to 5 years from now, eto na ho yung pwede nating ma-experience. Unang-una, healthy living. Siyempre, nagpo-promote ho tayo ng health products. Dapat ikaw muna yung unang gagamit niyan. Hindi ho tayo nagsishare dito ng hindi natin pinaniniwalaan. Napakahalaga ho nun, credibility. Okay? People will be attracted, no? Dahil sa nakikita nila, aba, gumaganda yung kutis mo, lumalakas ka, bumabata itsura mo, Dapat sa iyo muna mangyari yung resulta ng produkto mo. Okay? Healthy living. Second is financial freedom. 3 to 5 years from now. How do you see yourself, no? Kapag ka meron kang isang negosyo na patuloy mong pinapalago, di dadating yung additional stream of income. So, pwede ka na magkaroon ng family vacation, exotic adventures, prestigious lifestyle, time and financial freedom. Once and for all, solusyonan na ho natin yung money problems ninyo and start an opportunity na hindi lang nakabase sa oras ninyo, sa pagod ninyo, by helping other people grow in their business. Ito ho yung key dito para lumaki yung negosyo ninyo. Tulungan nyo ho yung mga tao na lumago yung kanilang negosyo. Because in this business, ang paglago ng negosyo ninyo nakasalalay sa dami ng taong matutulungan yung lumago yung negosyo nila. Yun ho yung nagustuhan ko dito. Hindi ho ito negosyo ng lamangan, ng gulangan. Dito ho yung negosyo ng tulungan. Okay? Tulungan. Okay? The more people that you help in their health, the more people that you help in their wealth, lalong lumalaki ho yung negosyo ho ninyo. Last but not least, personal development. Huwag ho kayong mag-alala kung wala pa ho kayong alam dito sa negosyong ito. Wala ho kayong experience, karanasan sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo. It doesn't matter. We all started, no, na wala hong alam dito sa Opulence Global. But because of the consistent weekly trainings na available ho for us, natututunan din ho namin lahat ng bagay na pwede naming makuha, no? Na kailangan naming matutunan. So wag ho kayong mag-alala kung wala ho kayo experience. Wala hong problema dyan. Meron ho tayong My5. Yung My5 ho, ito ho yung mga partners ninyo na willing hong turuan, mentor, i-coach kayo, tulungan kayo para maintindihan nyo, mapalago yung negosyo ho ninyo. And then on top of that, may weekly trainings pa ho tayo when it comes to the product. Every Tuesday morning ho yan. Yung CEO natin every Wednesday morning. Tapos may Saturday live training. Bukod pa ho yung sa mga local trainings that we do here in the Philippines. Okay? So dito habang meron ho kaming kasabihan, you can learn while you earn. Ayan. So pwede nyo ho simulan agad-agad and pwede nyo ho matutunan kung paano nyo po palalaguhin yung inyong negosyo na yan. Okay? So that's it, no? So again, in summary, the first thing that you need to do is to become a lifestyle advisor today. Huwag nyo na hong pagpabukas pa yan. Kasi karamihan ho ng mga tao, yung sabi nga nila kaya ho naghihirap yung mga tao because of procrastination. Yung bang may nakita silang opportunity, sabi nila, tsaka na muna yan, hindi na muna yan. Ay nako, pag pinagpabukas nyo ho yan, talagang hindi na ho mangyayari yan. Okay? Pag may nakita kayo opportunity, i-grab nyo ho kaagad. Sabi nga ho ni Mark Twain, the key to getting ahead is getting started. Kung gusto mo raw makausad, maka-advance sa buhay mo, the key to that is simulan mo na kaagad. Simulan mo na kaagad. May nakita kang magandang opportunity, i-grab mo na kaagad. Remember, yung nakita nyo ho ditong mga investment, this is just one time. Wala ho kayong talo, kahawak nyo kaagad yung produkto. Miski nga hindi nyo gamitin yung produkto, miski hindi nyo ibenta yung produkto, magagamit nyo ho yan pang inyong kalusugan. Wala kayong talo. But remember, one-time investment, but this can tap into a $4 million opportunity. At ang maganda ho dyan, hindi ka mag-iisa sa pagbibuild ng negosyo mo. Okay? We have a team. Lalong-lalo na hindi ka pa marunong mag-present, invite nyo siya sa mga ganitong klaseng presentation. And we will do the presentation for you hanggang sa matutunan mo ng sarili mo. Diba? So, that's it, no? Contact the partner na nag-invite ho sa inyo in this store with your questions and let them know which package you want to start with. Kung may mga questions ho kayo, please feel free to let us know and we'll be more than willing to answer any questions that you might have. But again, no, this is a very viable opportunity. An opportunity na may mission. Sabi ko nga ho sa aking mga trainings, no? Huwag nyo ho munang tingnan yung mga prospects nyo dito as mga dollar signs or peso signs. Look at them as someone na nangangailangan ho ng solusyon sa kanilang buhay. Pagkagising nyo ho sa umaga after you thank the Lord for another life that He has given us, the second thing that you need to do when it comes to our business is ask yourself, sino kaya yung pwede nating matulungan, mabigyan ng solusyon sa kalusugan? Napakaganda ng ating product. Every time we share the product, we are helping people now when it comes to their health. Sino kaya yung pwede nating matulungan? na magkaroon ng magandang kabuhayan para umunlad yung kanyang buhay. That's the mindset. And I tell you, kapag inuna ho natin yung mission, talagang natural hong sumusunod yung commission. Okay? So start no with a business with a heart. Yan ho yung maganda dito eh. May puso ho yung ating negosyo. May mission ho tayo. Again, going back to the mission. Ang nais ho natin is we want to help people achieve health and financial wellness. And with that mission, naku, napakalaking impact ho yung pwede nating mai-contribute sa society natin. Ito ho yung negosyo na may puso. Negosyo na tumutulong sa maraming mga tao. May purpose, may significance. So why don't you start it today? Kung may mga questions ho kayo, please feel free to get in touch with the people who invited you here. Pwede rin ho kayo magtanong ng mga questions nyo dito and we'll be more than willing to answer them. And that's it, no? Diyan na ho nagtatapos yung ating presentation. I do hope that you gain something out of this call, out of this presentation. And if you want to get started right here, 3 options ang pwede nyong simulan. First is you use the product. Okay? That's the thing na pwede nyo simulan. Ano man yung product na nakita nyo dito na pwede nyo gamitin, pwede nyo simulan yan. Contact the person who invited you here. Congratulations for you now decided to take control of your health. Second, kung sabi mo, Rico, gusto ko yung magsimula ako na may discount. Kukuha na ako ng brand partner package. By all means, congratulations din ho sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo lang ng discount para at least makamenos kayo sa product, well and good. That's option number 2. Option number 3, Rico, I see something na pwedeng mabago yung takbo ng buhay ko rito. I want to start this business. That's it. Welcome to the club, no? Congratulations. Welcome ho sa inyo. And again, we'll be more than willing to help you out to get started your business immediately. Even if you decide right now, you can open your business immediately in more than 200 countries and territories. Ganyan ho ka-dynamic itong ating negosyo. So that being said, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. And again, no, if you have any questions, get back to the person who invited you here. And of course, no, looking forward no to having you sa ating mga susunod na calls. Tomorrow, meron ho tayong product crossfire. Okay, so don't miss that. Meron ho tayong training together with our Senior Vice President from Canada. So that is one way where we learn more about our products. And on Wednesday, meron din ho tayong training together with our founder and CEO, Forensic Networker Call, ang tawag ho natin dyan. And if you wanted to learn more about the opportunity and his knowledge and inspiration, you're more than free not to join that call on Wednesday morning. Okay? So, meron ba ho ba kayong mga questions? So again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and of course to the billion.